Introducing the Rotating Laundry Bag, a smarter, easier way to manage your laundry. Its unique dual-side openings let clothes come out first in, first out, making laundry organized and effortless. Clear loading symbols on both sides let you know exactly when it's time to wash. With 130 liters of capacity, it holds up to 150 pounds or 70 kilograms of clothing. Smooth rolling wheels make moving it across any floor simple, while the easy lock mechanism puts rotation control in your hands. No electricity is required for this mechanical smart solution. Bag can be separated from base frame. Perfect for any place: households, hotels, restaurants, laundromats, gyms, dorms, and more. Its sleek, modern design adds a touch of luxury to your home, making it practical and a perfect gift. And for a bit of fun for adults, spin it like a giant fidget spinner to relieve stress while doing chores. Now available in different colors, the Rotating Laundry Bag. Convenience, style, luxury, and a little joy for every home.